Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Kat Scrappiness, and I am excited to share with you guys today the hashtag Ukraine Strong bundle. So along with the hashtag Ukraine Strong release, 100% of the proceeds in the month of June will go to the Ukraine Crisis Relief Fund, and I'll show you the graphics here as well. Let's just jump right into it. Let's take a closer look. Let's get started. It comes with the stamps, a great 6x8 stamp set, high quality photopolymer stamps. Here you can see that's the Ukrainian flag, and if it doesn't look as clean, it's because I was using it. And here is their ribbon, and of course their national flower, the sunflower. So you get a layering floral set. Here now some awesome sentiments. We stand united, hashtag, and I guess this is Ukraine Strong. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. Together we can make a difference, and hashtag Ukraine Strong. This is a fantastic set, and here is the matching dies just to help you definitely cut this out. And now here is the awesome paper pack, hashtag Ukraine Strong, 6x8 double-sided premium cardstock, 16 designs, 2 of each design. Love. All right, now in the back here, you're going to see my scraps. Oh yes, I save all my scraps. I'm going to fan out these beautiful 6x8 pattern paper. These are the patterns in a vibrant blue and yellow, just like their flag. So there's some hits of like a darker blue, but it's mostly this, it's a royal blue. That's what I should say. It's a royal blue. So here is Love Ukraine. Here's a nice background here, some dots, hearts. Love this yellow hearts. Another one of the Love Ukraine stripes. So you get solids and patterns as well. Look at on the back. Look at this. One of our design team members did an excellent job using this. I have to go, scrap lift that one. But it's really, really cute. And then we have chevron stripes. So there's plenty of opportunity to play with this paper pack, especially if you wanted to make a, set of cards that you want to donate. Or definitely this is a great paper pack. Lots and lots of opportunity. There is the flag too. Cute, cute, cute. So great set, and you get 2 of each. I'm going to show you 2 cards here. Here is one, and then here's the other. And this is using only their paper. The only thing I used from my stash was this craft cardstock and, yes, the white card base, the 2 card bases. But everything else is their paper pack, including this blue solid that I use with Kat's awesome mini Slimline Postage Edge stamp die set. So I used that one for this. Here I used her, don't have the name of this one. I'll put it here on the screen. That's to make this label. So see, you can use a mini Slimline die to even turn it sideways to make labels on your projects, on your cards, or if you turn this into an album, it could definitely be used. Both of these in an album, that's great. And also to help me cut some of this out, I did use her double stitched dies. Mini Slimline. So 3 sets of mini Slimlines are used to make these 2 cards. Everything else was using the paper pack and the awesome set from the Stamp and Die. So here I did the ribbon. I went onto Google and looked at the Ukrainian ribbon, and I saw some with the yellow on top, blue on the bottom. Most of the photographs I saw actually were blue on the top here, which would be this solid piece, and then yellow on the inside piece. So you can go either way. In this instance, I did it that way and I left it. I don't think anybody's mad at it. And then here is the sunflower. So cute. It's stamped very well. Here I was a little bit off, but if you're a little bit off like that little corner, it'll look abstract. Nobody will care because it's still a beautiful layered stamp set. And in the centers, I did put glossy accent. Look at all this layering fun with the paper pack. It's an awesome paper pack. Look at that. So I did on this one, the 3 sunflowers, then the ribbon. Put the We Stand United here. I did heat emboss it. I used some of Kat's enamel dots. In this one, I used some of Kat's shaker bits. And I didn't put a lot of shaker bits either. I just put, I didn't want to overtake the Love Ukraine with too much shaker bits. I wanted the recipient to have a little bit of fun with the shaker, but still get the message. And then behind the ribbon, I put hashtag Ukraine Strong. This is heat embossed, just as this is. Let me show you how easy it is to use this. So this is my mini Misty stamp positioner. And I did cut a strip of ink blending cardstock. I just use that for this type of thing. Now, if you're wondering what this is, the acetate, you can use this as your film to practice the stamping to make sure that is straight, and I'll show you in a second what I mean. I always keep this inside of my stamp positioner. I'm going to do it now where it's blue on the top. I'm going to speed up the video here so you can see what I'm doing. I stamp it once using just, this is kind of a royal blue type of ink color. Gently press it in. You don't want to press it in too crazy, but you want the ink to soak into the paper. And I like to stamp it twice. So see, first impression, not so great. Like I said, this is 2.5 inch wide. With this, you can fit the die around without no problem. I did it two-sided, like I would do one and then I just flip it over and do another. In the mini Misty, it would be a 6 by 2.5 inch strip of paper that you would cut. Now, position the yellow. You could use, if you wanted to help you with the positioning, that's where that piece of acetate comes into place, where I could go like this and then do a test. You see what I mean? When you put the acetate in it, you can do a test on it. You just line it up like so. And this now is yellow to see where it would fall. See? Pretty good for me. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Now, of course, you can straighten it out a little bit better than I did. I'm sitting down and doing this at a distance. So, you know, my head would normally be right here, but I can't put my head there because it would block you guys. But it's a very easy stamp set to use. You could, if you want to, heat emboss it. Let me see if this one lines up. It's supposed to line up straight in there. Got a little reaction there. So you could put a heat tool to your ink if you want to dry it off. I didn't. There we go. But there you have it. Nice layering stamp. Works well. Ukraine strong. You can create that layered ribbon, layered floral, and also the flag. Love, love, love. Okay, crafters, check out all the rest of the design team members' awesome projects on Instagram at Kat Scrappiness or Facebook as well, and the Kat Scrappiness blog, and here of course on YouTube. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, check out Kat Scrappiness' fabulous new release, #Ukraine Strong. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.